mix thoroughly. The next thing I'll be needing is my sallahuoluwabukola serum. I don't want this video to be too long, and that is actually why I am doing this. I'm making it this fast.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Luminous. If you're seeing this face for the first time, I am Luminous. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel we film about skincare, product reviews, supplement reviews, DIYs, everything that concerns skincare. So if this is the kind of content you like to know about, please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. Today I was already about to make a permanent Pinklip Balm, so I decided to share it with you guys because you deserve that for supporting me. So I decided to share you this Pinklip Balm. It's a permanent Pinklip Balm. If you're consistent with it, it's going to make your pink lips that pink, flawless, like looking so neat, pinkish. So if you would like to learn about how I make my Pinklip Balm, then let's dive straight into the video. But before then, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, like my videos, share my videos to your family and friends, anyone that would be needing such videos. And I'll be showing you how to make the Pinklip Balm now. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the kitchen.
So guys, what we're making now is our Pinklip Balm, permanent Pinklip Balm. And I do not want this video to be too long. Pardon me, I'm not using my glove. Please always try to use your glove when you're making any formulation. I'll be needing my 250 ml of Caro White. This is the white main cream I'm using. I'm using this so it will make it very effective. I'll be using 250 ml of my Caro White. See, I'm used to this and I know my measurements even without using the measuring plate. So if you don't know, I'll be needing my 250 ml. This is 500 ml, so I'm needing just half of this to make the Pinklip Balm. So yeah, I have my half of my Pinklip whitening base cream. Then I'll be going in with my petroleum jelly. I'll need just 2 tablespoons of my petroleum jelly. When you're making this, please try and mix very well. And the good thing about this is it is a very, very good and effective whitening Pinklip Balm. This is going to make the lips really pink. The next thing I'm adding is my Citric Acid powder. I dissolve it with my glycerin. I dissolve the Citric Acid with the glycerin. So I'll mix very well. The next thing I'll be working with is my Glutathione Serum. This serum is very effective. So if you're making a Pinklip Balm, you need an effective serum in order for the lip balm to be much more effective. So this is actually much. I'll be reducing it a little, so this is enough for this. I'll mix thoroughly. The next thing I'll be needing is my sallahuoluwabukola serum. I don't want this video to be too long, and that is actually why I am doing this. I'm making it this fast. So I'll be needing just after 1 tablespoon of this, like I said before. This is very thick and the cover is refusing to come out. So I had to off the camera to put on this Glutathione Serum, so it's really hard to come out. So we're adding just a tablespoon of my Glutathione Serum. It's almost finished, so I'll be adding just everything since it's just a little remaining there. So the next thing I'll be adding to my mixture is my citric acid for thickness. So I added my citric acid to the mixture. I'm not wasting anything from this formulation. So the next thing I'll be adding is my vitamin E oil. Adding just a little vitamin E oil. We mix together. So the next thing is my lactic acid. This lactic acid will help exfoliate the lips, so the Pinklip Balm can be very effective. Please note, guys, I didn't know that my phone was off and I was unable to film everything, but this is the finished product of my Pinklip Balm. You will see the recipe somewhere there, those things that I had off camera because my phone was off. Thank you. See you guys next time. Bye.
So basically that is how I make my permanent Pinklip Balm, and I am sorry I couldn't film to the end. I didn't know my phone was down already and I couldn't film some part of the video. I couldn't film everything, but nevertheless I will be dropping the recipe somewhere around the video. So thank you. That is basically how to make your own permanent Pinklip Balm. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. See you guys next time. Bye. Peace out.